Hello students, in this video we will discuss about lesson Rip Van Winkle. So first is reading section, and this reading section there is a paragraph. Many years ago at the foothills of the Catskill Mountains was a little village. In the village lived a simple, good-natured fellow named Rip Van Winkle. He was a kind neighbor, ready to help anyone. Everyone in the village liked him. The children of the village shouted with joy whenever they saw him because he played with them. He taught them to fly kites and shoot marbles and told them long stories. So, this is the paragraph, and the question answer is there. First is mark the foothill in this figure. So, this is the figure, you have to mark the foothill. So, where is the foothill? This is the foothill, you can mark it. Now, next is write 3 describing words for Rip Van Winkle. यानी Rip Van Winkle के लिए जो describing words यूज में आए हैं उनके नाम लिखने हैं, जैसे little, simple, good natured. So this is the describing words. Now, next is give one word. One word में आंसर देना है इसका. A person who lives next to our house, उसे क्या कहते हैं? Neighbor. यानी जो हमारे घर के बिल्कुल बगल में रहता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? Neighbor. नेक्स्ट इज़ वाई एवरीवन इन द विलेज इंक्लूडिंग चिल्ड्रन लव्ड रिप. जो गांव के जो लोग थे, बच्चों के साथ में जो बच्चे और उनके साथ लोग थे, वो सभी रिप को क्यों पसंद करते थे? एवरीवन इन द विलेज इंक्लूडिंग चिल्ड्रन लव्ड रिप बिकॉज ही वॉज ए काइंड नेबर एंड रेडी टू हेल्प एनीवन. क्योंकि वो एक बहुत दयालु पड़ोसी था और सबकी मदद करने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहता था. नाउ नेम द गेम्स दैट रिप वैन टॉट द चिल्ड्रन. अब उन गेम के नाम बताने हैं जो रिप वैन जो था बच्चों को सिखाता था. ही टॉट देम टू फ्लाई काइट्स एंड शूट मार्बल्स एंड टोल्ड देम लॉन्ग स्टोरीज. वो उनको पतंग उड़ाना और मार्बल यानी कंचे खेलना और उनको लंबी कहानियाँ सुनाता था. नाउ इट इज़ एन अनसीन पैसेज, यू हैव टू रीड इट एंड आंसर इट. Mary likes to run. Ever since she was in 3rd grade, she has been training to run long distances. Now that she was in 8th grade, her parents agreed to let her run in the Banana Classic. The Banana Classic is a 10-kilometer run. It takes place every year in Mattydale. The winners get a lifetime supply of peanut and fruit juice from Paul's Peanut Stand. Mary practiced by running for 10 kilometers twice a day. On the average run, she would finish in 30 minutes. Last year's winner finished the race in 26 minutes and 10 seconds. So this is the paragraph, students, and this is the question. Mary was in which grade when she has begun training for long runs? So answer is 3rd grade. Next is how long of a run is the Banana Classic? The correct answer is 10 kilometers. Next is where is the Banana Classic held? The Banana Classic held in Mattydale. Next is what was the average amount of time it taken by Mary to complete a run during her practice? So it is 30 minutes. Next is rearrange the words and make a meaningful sentence. So this is the jumbled words and we have to make a sentence. The sentence is the Banana Classic is a 10-kilometer run. Now describe the given picture with the help of the given clues. So here is the picture of save water and there is the clue. You can use it and write a short paragraph on it. So I have written it. Water is life, not only the human being but also for the entire ecosystem. Water is precious. We all depend on water for many purposes. Water is transparent but it takes the shape of anything when we put it. It's a pure thing. 71% of the land is covered by the water on the earth, in which 97% of the water is covered by the ocean and only 3% of water is in use for drinking and many purposes. It is important to save the water for us and for our future because we totally depend on the water for various purposes. So this is the paragraph on safe water. Thank you, students.